China, stand firm on the body, you're no Gigi rider. Fuck a nation, a girl, but your kitty tight.
Let's quote the famous Vybz Kartel lyrics. Me love pum pum, pussy until me dead. Nothing else can. What's good YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. I'm back in the with another video for you guys. So how David? How no feel? Right now people have Vybz Kartel. Try that official video. We see a female in the thumbnail. So you know it's my kind of video, right? I mean I watch it yet. But we see a female in the thumbnail. So you know I'm my kind of video. But we don't watch it yet. So tear up the like button people. Comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post. And guess what? We post every single day people, numerous times for the day people, so don't get it twisted. You better subscribe right now and comment right now. You understand me? Also I'm going for the song people. Thank you all for 30,000 subscribers by the way. You see me, I said the next goal is 50k. It should be 41. No, 50k. 50k. So let's go with 50k. I'm not going to say by the end of the year because that next to impossible, but let's go. And on my other channel, it's called More Tyrekevlogs. I posted a reaction video to Shensia, Equal Rights, remember that? The bomber to fry some day 3 years ago, and for the past 2 days, it has gained 100,000 views. That video is sitting at 183,000 views at the time of this video recording. Why is that video going viral? But I promised them over there, if I hit 1k subscribers, I'm gonna do a public interview where I ask, the question, will you talk to a guy who doesn't eat the pums? You understand me? And y'all know so I'm not in Jamaica, so that video there gonna be epic though. So I can see what go on. Go subscribe to the channel. I'm at 900 subscribers, which is shocking. I was just at 200 like 1 day ago. Anyways. Run tune! Alright then.
The girl them.
Alright. Alright, guess what? The pause boss is in full effect because I want cartel video. I forgot, you know. I forgot I want cartel video. Because if the pause boss in effect, the video I get black on the nine, get to see the reaction boss dog. But you know, run that now.
I wanna fuck you.
Yeah.
Like that middle finger.
What?
Me even get your own deep.
Ask for days. But the dog say more knocker like a middle finger. And I go. Get a body look good to the dog. I want to go on here, so something. Go on, Tyreek.
I need a window. So good in the.
I'm my kind of video this. I'm my kind of video this. You know, my eyes forget on the bike there right there. So I'm my kind of video this. Watch your style and blood clean. Watch you know. If you don't change the scene, me beat up. If you change the scene, that problem. Me see what I go on. I'm not gonna do it so early. The video just start. Me just start react to the video. Me not do it so early. Me just start react to the video.
Try that. Show your body and your breasts. Why not? And your body never.
Yo, me say if a man don't love woman in a dance, so me say woman must catch in a spirit. In a spirit. Yo! Go on!
In a China, stand firm on the body, you're no Gigi rider. Fuck a nation, a girl, but your kitty tight.
Let's quote the famous Vybz Kartel lyrics. Me love pum pum, pussy until me dead. Nothing else can. A word boss. Go on.
If them ever at your head, me a fight back. Everywhere me a go strike like lighter. This a dolly and.
Who wants it one day again? No. Who wants it one day again? Yes, Mr. Boy attack. Yo. Pussy clap, dog. Yo, what you put for? No, the police. Stop the powder, dog.
I was strike.
video didn't need one man in it, and I'm me. The video didn't need one man in it, one man in it, and I'm me. Remember me tell you that. Let me do one man in the video. And me, let me do it like that, but go on. No, slow motion, see me. Take it out of slow motion and behave myself, man. Behave yourself, Tyke. You're too bad. Go on.
Kneel down and you suck it. Pretty little muffet. Give your sweet water, me use a blood tick. Some me love the
Good on and you suck it. Pretty little muffin. Give you sweet water. Clad, dog. And then me just a bend it over and I touch up the fat. And then I go, youth! Youth! Dog. What she said right there, so. So my maga, me can't fit right so because you and between the chest and you, me can't fit right in between. So my maga. Action. Big bumper.
pussy gal. Them a country me, you go pussy na your tummy. Gal your pussy gummy. Smile.
Them position there! Bumper clean! When me done with that, she reach a gong. Bagger. Youth! Tyreek. Remember I said the camera, I follow your face and the focus and be to say I feel relax. But dog! Run tune!
By your mommy, why do that my body? A bag of man a tell me say the gal a dog shit, but me no watch dog a
But man say no watch dog a shit. Me da best lyrics in the dog. Me da best some lyrics in the I'm gonna put some lyrics for 2 years in Kartel. I put some lyrics 2 years in but me nah make lyrics at all. I the girl me I met. No man say that dog shit, but Kartel say go. Me know me gonna say me no watch dog shit. Listen.
so me nah gonna notice. So good in the bed. Turn up, balance by your head.
She not have one. So, would you know your balance pan your look at them position. Yo, me a virgin dog. No, me a virgin. Me no know about them something here. Me a legit virgin now. Me a virgin. Yes. Me a virgin. Cause me no know about that one day. Me no know about that one day. Well, you wanna see you go down on the minute. Yeah. Me no know about that one day. Me a virgin. Again. Go on.
Try that, show your body and your breasts. Why not? And your body never made in China.
Do your body and your breasts, you hear that, girl? You're one. And guess what? Your body never make a China. You hear that? Alright. You know that. Go. Big up Skinny Bang one time. Run tune. See that one, yeah? You know, so the why them girl that bad? It's all every time I can't pick. So SCT, me know you pick one girl like that. How should you react to you pick a girl like that? Remember which video I react to recently and say, that one day you want. Go pick girl. Come ST. We are pick one of them girl. Who you pick? Me no want that one. You can't take that one day. Go on.
Confirm by the body.
Me pick that one day. One that one day.
You
can't take the one that the red and the one day and the black right there. I might want that one day. SCT. People look in the comment section. I go see him. SCT TV. Big him up one time. He might do YouTube but you can go subscribe to his channel. Let him say. And we go Brian to Bumba Clad. Yo! She has split. I mean she lie down in my bed right so she has split for me. Turn round now, bunks for it. Alright then, bunks for it.
them ever at your head, me a fight back. Everywhere me a go strike like lighter. Pussy feel brand new.
Them just come if you hypnotize we and just mash up with heads. You know what? Me actually like. You know something, me love the pause boss. Me love the pause boss, you know. Can't tell you really bring out the pause boss, you know. Cause see the pause boss would have enjoyed the video them we have never pass, you know. But I'm ever pass the right place them too that I got to even so go on and that. You know intimation time right now. If you watch the video right now and don't like the video, please do like the video right now. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the most lit reaction channel and the entire YouTube right here. So right now from a Jamaican dog. This is the most lit channel of the entire Caribbean. This is the #1 Caribbean YouTuber. You hear me I say, yeah dog. Big up Rising King. Red tune.
Move, I'll take off your clothes. Sit down on the big dick bus a pose. Mass times acceleration that
Mass times the man got in a physics class to blood clean. Kartel. The man got in a physics class. Biology. Bombo clean. Kartel. Mr. Get up look but Kartel. Dog.
force. Love you the most. Tell everybody my boss. But I to me toes. Queen can't get the pose. Thanks and me get a
That's a man's dream right there, son of dog. go on.
So beautiful, but a bad gal, maka to the rose. Other gal, you're so good in the bed.
The girl have a thing like this when them a dance, you see me I say, and them go down on them all fours, them do on them knee, the all fours, them on and them toe. You see me I say, them the fingers of them toe, them basically. And them have a thing when them go so them body and a fling from side to side. That bad. That blood clot bad. Then them have a thing where them says, you know what? Just watch woman them do them work here, man. Go on.
Turn up, balance by your head. Try that, show your body and your breasts. Why not? And your body never
me got you that video.
like that. It's a dolly. Them a country, me a bust inna your tummy. Notice so good inna the bed.
No.
Firm pon the body, you know Gigi rider. Fuck on big boss a pose, my stanza. Beautiful, but a bad gal.
Well, the jungle bungo go on there, so. Why me skip to them? The video just post a while ago last night and I got to see this morning, but watch ya. Watch ya no, man. Me skip to the video if you come up on them something, yeah? Me wrong for that. Me wrong for that, you know. But me I go skip through. Me just end the video right there, so yeah, man. Me can't.
I do the rose. Other gal, you're so good inna the bed. Balance by your head.
No, wait, no. Thank God for woman. Thank you, Lord, for females. We love females very, very much over here. You understand me? The reaction boss don't play. We love pum pum till death. You dig me? Anyways, please do subscribe to the channel if you guys are not yet subscribed to the channel for the most reactions on YouTube. You understand me? The pause boss isn't fully fake when we're doing like certain artists because the videos they make black. You understand me? While others, them get copyright and it's still public to you, or you still can view it. But you know that them man are copyrighted and black it. Worldwide, somebody can that different than about that. So thank you for checking out my video. If you are made to the end of the video, please like, drop some fire emoji if you don't comment anywhere you come from in the Caribbean. If you don't come from your heart, you do me a say, because you don't know, so most of my viewers don't come from your heart, but big up on yourself. Said way.